This little wind thing looks like a portable air cooler. Let me sniff it. Whoa! Wait, no!
Put me down! I did not sign up for the free-flying trial.
This is definitely not the place I booked. Did I fall into a dream? Whoa, WHO! Not now. If I fall, I'll become a free-falling astronaut cat. Oh, pretty sure that was the remix version. Stop blowing. I'm not trained for this kind of workout. Ha! Told ya I'm talented. I just had the wrong mode on. Whoa! That door looks awesome! I'm going in, wish me luck. If I don't come back, feed my snacks for me.